Start. The object of rules of natural justice is to ensure that a government servant is treated fairly in proceedings which may culminate in imposition of punishment including dismissal or removal from service. Stop para. This proposition can be illustrated by a large number of modern cases involving the use of undisclosed reports by administrative tribunals and other adjudicating bodies. Stop. If the deciding body is or has the trappings of a judicial tribunal and receives or appears to receive evidence ex parte which is not fully disclosed, comma, or holds ex parte inspections during the course or after the conclusion of the hearing, comma, the case for setting the decision aside is obviously very strong, semicolon, the maxim that justice must be seen to be done can readily be invoked. Stop. In our opinion, the aforesaid maxim is fully applicable in the facts and circumstances of this case. Stop. Para. As noticed earlier, in the present case, not only the respondent has been denied access to documents sought to be relied upon against him, comma, but he has been condemned unheard as the inquiry officer failed to fix any date for conduct of the inquiry. Stop. In other words, comma, not a single witness has been examined in support of the charges leveled against the respondent. Stop. The High Court, comma, therefore, comma, has rightly observed that the entire proceedings are vitiated, having been conducted in complete violation of principles of natural justice and total disregard of fair play. Stop. The respondent never had any opportunity at any stage of the proceedings to offer an explanation against the allegations made in the charge sheet. Stop. Para. This court, comma, in the case of Kashinath versus Union of India 1986 had clearly stated the rationale for the rule requiring supply of copies of the documents, comma, sought to be relied upon by the authorities to prove the charges leveled against a government servant. Stop. In that case, the inquiry proceedings had been challenged on the ground that non-supply of the statements of the witnesses and copies of the documents had resulted in the breach of rules of natural justice. Stop. The appellant therein had also requested for supply of the copies of the documents as well as the statements of the witnesses at a preliminary inquiry. Stop. The principle of law says that a government employee who is facing any departmental inquiry is entitled to all the relevant files, comma, statements, comma, documents and other materials which could help him to have a reasonable opportunity to prove himself not guilty of the charges so framed against him. Stop. It is his right to get copies of all the documents available. Stop. Para. The request made by the appellant was in terms turned down by the disciplinary authority. Stop. In considering the importance of access to documents in statements of witnesses to meet the charges in an effective manner, this court observed as follows, colon, when a government servant is facing a disciplinary proceeding, comma, he is entitled to be afforded a reasonable opportunity to meet the charges against him in an effective manner. Stop. And no one facing a departmental inquiry can effectively meet the charges unless the copies of the relevant statements and documents to be used against him are made available to him. Stop.